Changing printing heads on a Takach tabletop combo. First, we take the gearbox cover off, removing the two screws here and here. Remove and place in safe area. Next, we remove the litho head by removing the 3/8 socket head bolts. There's 4 on each side. This side, there's 4 on this side. Using 2 guys, lift the printing head straight up and away from press. Placing on nearby table. Next, lift the other printing head up and over onto the press. When installing the printing head, make sure the operator's side, which has the screw holes for the gearbox cover, is in the appropriate place. Install all 8 3/8 socket head cap screws and tighten. Next, reinstall gearbox cover. Replace screws and tighten. Before removing etching head, bring drum to rest on bed, making it easier to install later.